Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're reviewing a 2025 Ford Mustang GT Premium 60th year edition. Let's get into it. Before we get started, I'd like to give a shout out to Joe Machens Capital City Ford here in Jefferson City, Missouri for allowing me time with this vehicle. Please reach out to Mike for all your vehicle needs. Powering this Ford Mustang GT Premium is the 5-liter V8 engine producing 480 horsepower and 418 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 times in about 4 seconds. Fuel economy, 16 city, 24 highway, 19 combined. Starting off in the front here, we do have the Mustang logo right here. LED headlights that wrap around there. This black hood scoop here is functional. Then coming around to the side, we have this tire setup here. All season tires. These are two 65/35 R20s. You will notice with this 60th edition package, you get these specialized wheels with the red Mustang logo in the middle. And then coming along the side, the 50 badge there. And then with the 60th edition, you do get these pinstripes across. 60 years right there. And then we have the color matched mirrors, color matched door handles. This is the convertible version. This is in the Wimbledon white, which is special to this 60th edition vehicle. Pays homage to the 1964 Mustang. You could get in this white color. Looks really slick with all the black accents as well. Moving to the back, we have our LED taillights. Another badge right here, GT 60 years. We also have the middle taillight in the middle. This does not have the active exhaust, so we have just dual exhaust on the bottom. If you get that active exhaust, it does add about 6 horsepower. Pretty sweet looking ride, that's for sure. Now let's take a look at the interior. Taking a look at the sticker here, this 2025 GT Convertible Premium with the 5-liter V8 in Wimbledon white, carmine red leather interior. Options here, we have the Wimbledon white for $995, the B&O sound system, and as I mentioned, the 60th anniversary package, which gives you the upgraded wheels and the accent stripes along the side. As I also mentioned, here's your fuel economy, 16 city, 24 highway, 19 combined. Taking a look at the interior, as I mentioned on the sticker, we have this carmine red accent along with the this almost carbon fiber looking trim. Super soft, I will say that. Memory seating, standard window controls, a little bit of storage in there. Mustang badge right here on your door sill. There's our trunk button, lighting controls, a little Mustang logo there, more carbon fiber type trim here. This is a soft dash also, and then you'll see the red trim throughout this vehicle. Looking at the seats, they are powered, and then we get the carmine red bucket seats. Pretty cool. And the red seat belts. It's a nice little touch. Steering wheel, we have our different drive modes and cruise control. And then here's to adjust this huge display. It's not all one screen. You can kind of see the split in here as well. And then we'll start this thing up. Also the leather wrapped sport steering wheel. You can hear that V8, sounds awesome. Here's our gauges, fully digital. Then our huge infotainment screen right here. I will say your climate controls are all digital as well. We do get ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. Let's go to the home page. Oh, we're on it. So here's the home page. We can look at different features in here. My Mustang. I know it lets you edit a lot of stuff in here. Auxiliary gauges, custom mode, so you can adjust your custom mode and then you can actually set that based on your profile. Different colors in here. Let's see, primary, let's do a blue. Secondary, we'll do a green. Ambient lighting, we'll also do blue. So a lot of customization. It's really cool on these Mustangs. I'll just turn it all the way up. So yeah, a lot of different options. Here's your different gauges. This one's set on classic. So as you push these, you get different gauges in here. Very cool. I'll put the SVT Cobra. It's really cool. Coming down here, we do get our large vents right here. Physical buttons, auto start, stop. Then this is actually your My Mustang. You just press that and it brings you straight to here. ABS control, your favorite button. So you can edit what you want on that. Defrost, hazards. Here's our volume controls. USB chargers there. Typical outlet there. Some storage in there for your phone. Here's our automatic gear shifter, electronic parking brake, 2 cup holders, and then here's our console. Pretty small, not much storage to be expected, but there's another plug in there as well. Coming across the passenger side, we have this carbon fiber trim here, and then we have a 60-year Mustang emblem there. More red stitching, glove box, and then you'll see passenger side right there. We do have our built-in garage door openers. Here's how you unlatch it, and then here's your button to get that top off. But we'll leave it on for today. Back seat, probably not going to crawl back there because I won't fit, which is typical of your Mustangs. Right there. All right, now let's take this thing for a spin. Start this thing up. Sounds awesome. Here's our, forgot to mention, here's our modes here. Custom, slippery, drag strip, track, sport, and normal. Leave it in normal for now. We'll see what that gets us here. First thing I notice, the engine, obviously. Sounds great. This is the automatic. It'd be cool to have this thing in a manual, but let's take it for a spin. We do have blind spot monitoring on the side mirrors as well. Super tiny side mirrors. Wish those were a little bigger, but that's all right. Let's see what this thing can do. So I reviewed the base model, the 2.3 liter EcoBoost. So this one, stickers for about 67,000, I think was MSRP. Here at Joe Machens, their price is around 60 grand for this thing. So we'll see if you guys think it's worth extra, 30 grand to upgrade to this engine, these features here, over the 2.3 liter EcoBoost, which I think was stickering for around 33,000. Blinker, acceleration here. If anybody. So as expected, super smooth. A lot of acceleration here. Ride's a little rough. No surprise there either on these cars. Main thing I like to look for in a performance car is just the handling, honestly, and the acceleration, because that's what makes it fun to drive. These ventilated seats are doing a really good job. Steering wheel feels really nice. Always fun to drive these Mustangs. I love how customizable everything is in here. You can really make it your own. That goes with the drive modes as well, not just the you know, the interior specs. Just sweet green one there. 60th edition, you do get a couple extra features. The color's really cool. It's almost like a pale white. It's really neat. Love the wheels with the red accents in the middle. Yeah, obviously this is gonna be a fun vehicle to drive. Wait till we get up here. We'll flip it into sport mode here. A lot of different modes too. That's really cool. Throttle in sport mode, a little more sensitive than what you expect. And that engine just sounds so good. Also forgot to mention to get the paddle shifters. I kind of wish they were metal. They're kind of plastic, but that's all right. They still work. Love the color of these seats. This red kind of burgundy color is really cool. I love this infotainment. It's literally at the perfect height. Kind of sits back recessed, so you can see it a lot easier without having to turn your head fully. And it's angled at you, which is really nice as well. Get up to speed here. Let's see what this thing can do. We are in sport mode. Brakes feel pretty good. Well, that person wasn't looking. Bad drivers everywhere, I guess. These brakes work pretty good, as you all just saw. Doesn't matter where you go. Some people just don't know how to drive. It's a really cool car. I mean, it's also neat that it's the 60th edition. It's kind of cool. Engine is awesome. Yeah, this great acceleration. So let me know what you all think. Is this GT Premium worth another $25,000 to $30,000 over the standard base EcoBoost Mustang? You're getting the V8 instead of 2.3 liter. That's a big upgrade. You know, however, to me, in my opinion, that EcoBoost engine felt really good. I would probably save the money, but the V8, I mean, just can't go wrong with it. So as always, thank you all for watching. I really do appreciate it. As always, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's any other vehicles you want me to review, and we will see you next time.